Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry I've been absent for a couple weeks. I either sprained my back again or I have a herniated disc. I'm not too sure which one yet, but I'll find out pretty soon, so that you're going to be seeing me hold my back during this video. But today's video is going to be something I've been trying to make a habit this summer with my kids. They go back to school next week, and so I'm hoping that this habit we've created will continue on during the school year. And what habit might that be? The habit of cleaning their room every day. I don't mean deep cleaning or even vacuuming every day. I just simply mean picking things off the floor, making the bed, and organizing the chaos a little bit. I don't have a time of each day when I want them to have their rooms done by, but they know that every day I'm going to ask them to clean their rooms and make their bed. Sometimes it takes a couple minutes for them to get done what they need to. Others, like today, it takes up to 30 minutes. Normally I wouldn't even be in the room with them while they do it, but today I thought I would watch them and make sure that they do it the way that I like it. while my kids clean their rooms, I'm usually in my room at the same time cleaning up my mess. You know, gotta set a good example, and I can't yell at them to clean their messy rooms if my room is just as messy, sadly. But I truly believe that making your bed every day makes a huge impact on the rest of your day. While I have many days where I just let my laziness get the best of me and don't make my bed, I know that the days that I make my bed first thing are the days that I'm most productive and don't take naps. I am way too lazy to make the bed twice in one day. It has been a few days since I cleaned up my bathroom, but I'm gonna get that all cleaned up today, put it all away in the drawers that I put in from my last video. They've been the best thing that I could have bought for my bathrooms since they don't really have any drawers. I'm amazed at how And that's going to be it for today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you are making good habits and getting all the stuff that you need to done with your house. See you next time, guys.